Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Marius from extramoneyguide.com. Today I want to make a presentation about the amazing Save Club app. This is the Save Club mobile app version of 1.0 and it's available in the United States only at the moment, but will open in more countries eventually. So this is a very exciting app. It gives you cashback. It has a card linking function. It has a marketing system built in. There are a lot of marketing tools, and there is also an artificial intelligence communication built in. So let's get started. The cashback is really great. You simply link your credit and debit card through the app. That's the card linking function. And you find hundreds of advantages, discounts, etc. in the app in form of a cashback. So there are many merchants in there. You will find a list of different merchants. This is really helpful for every family in the States. Includes fuel, grocery, dining, travel, etc. I think you will be rather surprised when you see all the merchants. So what is this card linking technology? You download the app and then you link your card inside the app. And when you use the card, you will get the cashback automatically. Your cashback credits will appear automatically in the app and are paid out to the card of choice. There are many different apps out there, but it's so important that it's compliant with the payment card industry data security standard, because there are very strict rules from both Visa and MasterCard. So there are extra layers of security to prevent credit card fraud, data breaches, and theft of cardholder data. So you can be sure that this app is secure to use. There is a marketing system built in, and if you want to share this app and also take part in the business side of it, you will get two different landing pages. One with the business explained, and also a landing page which is only for those who want to save money. So that's very helpful, and you can share it at once. Your prospects will fill in the form and they can download the app immediately after that. The app is absolutely free to share, so your app users can also share it for free to their friends. So they don't need to be affiliate, they can share it as users. If they want to become affiliates as well and take part in the business side of it, they are of course welcome to do that, and then you will also receive commissions. There is an advanced integration here with replicated capture pages, back office reporting, tracking of referrals, artificial intelligence follow-up. So this is what I talked about. If you are Mary, who is an affiliate, you can share the app absolutely free. Joe can also share the app for free. Mike can take part as a free app user as well. But when he share it to Sue, and Sue suddenly discovers that this is so exciting that she wants to become an affiliate, Joe and Mike will get a notification. If they want to make money, they can sign up and upgrade to an affiliate too, and they will have a guaranteed commission from Sue. If they don't, you will receive the commission. So that's very interesting business model. I won't cover a lot of that in this video, but if you're interested, you can receive more information from me about that. Save Club app is about buying Everything you already buy anyway with great discounts and cashback. This is open for United States at the moment. All Americans can download the app immediately and start saving money and get their cashback to their cards. But if you're an international and want to start this business as well, promoting this to your contacts in the United States, you can do it because I have made a free ebook guide for international affiliates. So contact me and let me know if you're interested in this, and I will give you this free guide. So you can start as an affiliate even if you're not in the United States, and you can start making money right now. Okay, so that's what I wanted to share with you. Please click on the links below this video, and thank you for watching. Bye for now.